So fire. Forward here, me and Alkaline and a careful observation and I run a little social experiment, you know. Zane, me see the artist gone back in a hibernation, you know. Cause what they went teacher forward the road, he did have to capitalize on the moment there, so we saw a little bit of him. Get what me I say? But it look like man realize the teacher and the power him there and teacher and give him that strength there. You get what me I say? Yeah man, God is the greatest.
Me I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah man, you know things set. I tell you say yo, them people I always bring up when it comes to Alkaline 2016. Them money they way behind time, you know. Way behind time, brother. Them lack of the new generation when it forward. It's like them stuck in a 2016 with Alkaline. Alkaline passed a long time. At 2026, Alkaline I say right now. But pre-weather brother, I say, cause I tell you, sometimes I wonder, you know, them Gaza man are so obsessed with Alkaline. See, a brother way don't even in the media. A brother don't even come out in the media and say nothing and talk and, you know, need any attention. But them always a forward. But listen what them say.
Forward here, me and Alkaline and a careful observation and I run a little social experiment, you know. Zane, me see the artist gone back in a hibernation, you know. Cause what they went teacher forward the road, he did have to capitalize on the moment there, so we saw a little bit of him. Get what me I say? But it look like man realize the teacher and the power him there and teacher and give him that strength there. You get what me I say?
Yo, brother, you know, so no sense. No sense you don't have enough fam. Brother, you feel like the Alkaline love man for watch where Cartel do, brother? Before Cartel forward out, Alkaline been dropping song. Check last year, before when Cartel forward out, brother. Alkaline been dropping how much is song before Cartel forward out. So through Cartel forward out now, Alkaline a drop song. Cause una go like say, a true Cartel come make Alkaline. Alkaline been dropping songs over the years, brother. You see with Uno now, Uno love man so much for everything what Alkaline do. Uno feel like say he might do it for please Cartel. So Uno make it sound, you know. See? Through Alkaline drop key man now. And the youth not drop no song how long. Uno say, oh, true Cartel not give him no attention. Bro, who really want attention, brother? Who really want attention? Because for a man, when I do social media, no in the media, no one bag of camera do not dance. Bro, the only somebody we need attention, brother, Cartel. Cartel dep on the media every day for no TikTok. He might dance to one of them song them. All of them look something here, brother. I'm whole life out there, brother. He need attention. So when you talk about Alkaline gone in a box because him realize a Cartel not give him attention. Brother, Cartel, Alkaline na meds Cartel, bro. Uno wouldn't love man mentality make it feel so. Cartel na meds Alkaline either, bro. The man them do them thing, man them do them show. You see that Uno I make it feel like say yo Alkaline or Cartel a meds them one another, brother. Uno because we have a love man mentality, this attention thing, bro. We don't feel like say yo the man them I watch each other, brother. You know what Alkaline do? Uno, you see life funny? I show you, people. Alkaline a drop song for about couple months now, right? And hear who them a talk about. And Cartel been dropping song. Worse a drop song with him son. I mean, none of them run out and talk about the song them a Cartel drop. And them say them are Gaza fans. But when it comes to Alkaline now, if Alkaline drop one song and if him don't drop song, them talk about it. But when Cartel drop song, me not see them a forward out and do anything. Bro, I don't know what kind of fan base on the being, brother. But I always say Cartel have the wrong set of fan base. Because I have a big fan base, but it's like, useless dog. The things them only supposed to support the man musically. There every day, Alkaline. Yeah, brother, that's why the man drop how much album, brother, and the album them not really reach where it for go. Because so focused by Alkaline and Alkaline I do in 2016. You see it?
Yeah man, God is the greatest and today is a new day, you know that style eh? So not nobody if you cling by my boy gone back in a hibernation. What day when we are talking about the artists now? Oh, if we not talk about we artists, who no can't go viral, who no this, you know me do, me cease and desist. Me stop talking about the artists, you stop talking about the artists. Everybody when they don't follow up the thing, stop talking about the artists because we say few artists, nah I'm paying no mind. So we are work with the flow. See it? Yes. Now when
but brother, yeah, you say you stop talking about Alkaline or paying no mind. And you say the vendetta people them say, yo, You have to talk about them artists to go viral. But you couldn't even hold out. See you forward out now and make a talk now because you want to go viral again. Bro, no always a contradict on yourself, brother. You say you stop, you stop talk about Alkaline. See, because you realize, say, if you don't talk about Alkaline, right, you're not going to get that views and that attention. Then now you forward out after you try play like tricks now because you will say, yo, you did a whole out because you realize, say, the Gaza boss now. Bro, who don't have the mentality there, brother? We can't tell a pre-Alkaline for the man do them thing, bro. You understand? We can't tell a pre-Alkaline for one now. Cartel now no show now. Seeing Alkaline and do him thing. I saw Alkaline stay. Alkaline always just drop one song and do what him have to do. But because uno na pre-fool no artist music, cause Cartel a drop music, brother. Him a drop music video, all of them something. Him a do collab. Him a do collab with Skilly and see where him drop one with on him son. Must a little addy or so. Me no hear no run with them thing there, bro. Uno na promote no artist music, brother. And when Alkaline, when you no see Alkaline, can you imagine? You say Alkaline gone back in him box. See? When you found out that about it for though, him not drop no music, him not do nothing. So you show him, bro, he come like a Alkaline really rate. Cause when Alkaline drop song, you talk about it. When him don't drop song and gone back in him shell, you still talk about it. What no one, brother? Just be a fan, man. Just be a fan, brother, cause it don't make no sense. No matter what Alkaline do youth, they just have to talk about the youth. Yeah, brother.
Now look, in him top card all together, silence, cricket about the place, crick. Nobody know talk about him. See then now, this is where the observation come in and the social experiment. You make one video talk about Sparta Bars and Massacre, and you're gonna make the slightest of reference to the artist. Who? You have to call the artist name to stay relevant. What? I miss it down and I wait. Me been a wait because me I say more and who I go tear off the seal and go call him name again. So we get the delusional fans them feel run out. A social media influencer decide which artist relevant that artist decide which we been a go viral. See him we overdo much months now where we stop use Alkaline name. And the minute we go call.
Yo, them money, people, them Gaza money are pressure reach him, Him and them stress out, dog. It's like this money I go say, yo, true, when name Nico Fire. See? Nico Fire must come out and talk about the thing with him and Tamili and Massacre. See? And true, Nico Fire go say, yo, two artists Massacre Freda, Alkaline and Cartel. Bro, you are go say, bro, Alkaline name always a call. Looking at where they when the hurricane pass through. Man him a call say, yo, Alkaline now donate this and that. Bro, Alkaline name always a call, brother. For sure, yo. The artists them we are doing here, Massacre, Cartel, everybody. The people, them now meds them man there, and them man there do good, Alkaline, where them say so-called, nah do not the true youth, nah do no camera figure donate and all of them look something there. Everybody a call out Alkaline. The man where wanna say so-called, not doing nothing for the people, una talk about him. Then if you not relevant, why you not call for him name? Why you forward out a call the youth name? Remember, you could have just don't say nothing, But you know why? It's been a while you go viral. So you go forward out now and talk. Cause you want a little clout now. Yeah, I just that always do, bro. And a real thing, you can't stop talking about Alka, brother. You know that, brother. Yeah, cause, bro, if you talk about Cartel thing right now, him just a do him thing, him not really on a show yet. Maybe it's a set for next year, but bro, without no shows, bro, nobody not really meds Cartel like that. Cause I'm always dep on the media, brother. Always dep on the media, fam. And I just saw the thing said.
Come see, man. I need to fire them decide who go viral as artists. You know, but never tell you no. You don't realize that 2025 this. We don't need to come out here and say, man, me say the delusion has to be studied. Now 2025, we don't still sit down and shout out 2016. But you know one thing I want to say, big up to the data fans, them in the sense of loyalty. You're relentless. So me have to go on that. So
yo, say man say a Nico Fire have a control to make artists go viral. Brother, remember when Alkaline show and Nico Fire call out Alkaline, right? So in a way there now, Nico Fire stop call Alkaline. When since after him stop call Alkaline, him go viral. Now when him talk about Massacre and Tamili thing, him go viral when him go bring up Alkaline name. We don't have sense, bro. Nico Fire not then tell Nico Fire say don't call Alkaline name for 1 year and you see what. Because a Alkaline name make Nico Fire, make people know Nico Fire with you, brother. Alkaline name, when you might try bring down Alkaline brand and all of them something there. But you never know, man, brother. So I don't know what you talk about. No, alright. If I saw then, nobody no call Alkaline name and see what happen. None. Don't call Alkaline name. Since you no say yo, I don't have the control for Alkaline go viral, I don't know where you get sense in that. Do it, man.
Me I come from, yeah man, because hard when they see the artists now use them, you know what? But hey, every talking talk, and data. Where? You see what they, when teacher come out and I give be a man forward, where? I be sit down that man, they sit down and say, oh, all them boy, they go on like they now sit with thing, and them a sit with thing, and they won't even share who me top call certain man name, me top call certain. Yeah, and they know, man, trust me, me tell you, say they know, and then 2 days later, who? 2006.
Yo, man, I tell you, them money have, them money pressure raise, man. Me I tell them, so Alkaline can't make them brother asleep. Me I tell you with them guys are money, dog. Me I tell you. Yo, you know what the problem? You know, say, I can never see some video. Cartel a drop album and a drop song. See? And the only song me hear them talk about, God is the greatest and Welcome to a New Day, right? One song, Cartel a drop, supposed to drop like about 50 odd song already, or more, go to 100. And I want to show you, the man a drop album, I don't hear the man a forward out and say, yo, Cartel album bad, the man them no promote nothing for Cartel, bro, more than controversy, brother. At that with them, you know like funny? I bet them can't tell you when Cartel drop on music. But them can tell you say Alkaline not drop music for months now. So then watch everything with Alkaline do, You have to wonder if a Alkaline fan them, because they know everything where man do. Although them not see me in media, Them know everything. Because them brain in a 2016, every year, 2016, all 2016, them go still talk about it all till now, 2050. Yeah, man. They say it go reach, bro, but them money, brother, I'm aware now for just laugh, dog. You see, if I them alone, the music thing, just look on it, people. When Alkaline drop music, everybody have something to say. Everybody, them bring down them hate, all of them look something there. See? But when other artists drop song, them no see it. Missy Al Popcorn drop album, them not talk about it. See? I just be a controversy man them run with nowadays, Me I feel wonder, dog, we no listen music again. When say Gaza, bro, we not even support Cartel music, fam. When you not buy none of album, them the numbers where Cartel do for such a big fan base, bro. You have to wonder if them people are just a follow Cartel or not support him. Because Cartel have millions of followers, but it's like, bro, man hardly can get 1,000 copy sell first week, brother. Yo, so by the time I have to laugh, brother, when I make Cartel music thing look away, bro. Rather than not support the brother music, I watch everything with Alkaline do. And uno feel like say, yes, Alkaline I watch everything with Cartel do and I work off of what Cartel do, brother. It's like uno last in the dog, uno brain come like a matches box, brother. Me I tell you that you see it, cause you are gonna say through Cartel now get Alkaline no attention, make him gone back in him box. Bro, every December Alkaline always just go on easy, bro. You see it. Alkaline have a time when drop be a song, and him have a time when him just go on easy, brother. Because remember, bro, as an artist, and a song alone you have to do it, brother. You have other things like shows and all of these things. You see me? And you know what? You know why a lot of these artists thing kind of get watered down? Them drop a bag of music. Them not try to give one music some time and promote the one music there, By the time them drop one, them drop all two after that and kill that one there. So them do it and I saw it work, brother. You drop a song today. You know how long Alkaline drop key, man? You know how long Alkaline drop key, man? The youth make that go on easy. Make that go on run. Brother, if you drop music every day, bro, people just get tired and just stop meds that, brother. You don't understand how music thing work. You have to make a song bill. Remember, say one song can just set you for life, Them artists just a drop song every day. You will use that and kill song, bro. You see, cause imagine you post on YouTube and you put that song here today. And then tomorrow you drop 2 new songs. Bro, if a person not getting notification today and and tomorrow him get it. You know remember boy song we go drop today. Bro, and some music work. That's why enough of the artists them thing kinda wash up after, brother. This one bag of dropping song, bro. And that's how it work, brother. You see it, and that's how it work, fam. So if Alkaline no drop song till next year, brother. Song there where people go listen to, brother. Me know Keyman, me hear Keyman still a play. Cartel a drop him song same way. You see it. But when him drop him album them, we not support it, brother. And when him drop him song them, me no hear no talk about it. Like when they talk about Alkaline song. Yo, this is song you know sound good. Yo, this one. All you know do I just hate, bro. But I saw you go, brother, I hate. Make the youth there when they. You see me, but people, when I don't know, bless up everybody in our one media fox, man. That is it.